We now determine n when t equals 3 using these conditions. Also using the equation for n of t, that is n of t equals c e power kt. So first let's use this condition when t equal to 0, n equals 350. So let's replace t equal to 0. Therefore this becomes n of 0 equals c e power k times of 0. When t equal to 0, n of 0 is 350. So here I write 350, and this equals c times. This is e raised to the power of 0, which is 1. And so this implies c equals 350. We have now determined the value of c equals 350. That means we can plug it into the n of t and rewrite this as n of t equals replace c by 350. So it becomes 350 e raised to the power of kt. Now we can use this equation. Now let's use the other condition, that is when t equal to 1, n equals 400. So let's replace t by 1. It becomes n of 1. This equals 350 times e raised to the power of k times of replace t by 1 becomes k times of 1. Now n of 1 equals 400. So I write 400 equals 350 e raised to the power of k times 1 is k. Now divide both sides by 350. So we get 400 over 350. This equals e raised to the power of k. We can solve for k from this equation. We can convert this to natural logarithms. That is natural logarithm of 400 over 350. This equals natural logarithm of e raised to the power of k. Basically, we apply natural logarithm to both sides, and we can write this right side expression as this k will come into the front according to the power rule of natural logarithm, and this means we write this as k times of natural logarithm of e. Notice that the value of natural logarithm e is 1, so k times 1 equals k. So on the left side we have natural logarithm of 400 divided by 350. So thus we have determined that k equals 400 divided by 350. So now let's put this into this equation so that we can rewrite n of t by replacing the value of k. So I write n of t, and this equals 350 e raised to the power of k. Replace k by natural logarithm of 400 by 350. So we write this as natural logarithm of 400 divided by 350, and this multiplied with t. Now we can simplify this further. We write 350. This is an exponent. We write this as e raised to the power of natural logarithm of 400 over 350. And this one raised to the power of t. So this equals 350. Observe that e and natural logarithm are inverse to each other. So this e and this natural logarithm cancels out, leaving us 400 divided by 350 power t. So this is the simplified expression for n of t. Now we can find n of t when t equal to 3. So let's plug in t equal to 3 and find the value of n of 3. So therefore this becomes n of 3 equals 350 times 400 divided by 350 raised to the power of replace t by 3. We put 3 here. And so we can find this numerical value using the calculator. Plug this expression into the calculator, and we can round this to approximately a whole number. So we get 522. So therefore, we found that n of 3 equals 522.